Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find all your posts using the Facebook editor on Facebook Web on your PC, especially with the latest update where things have slightly changed. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personal settings and activity. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. When you click it, more options will expand. Now select Settings to enter your account settings area where Facebook keeps all your personal controls. Inside the settings page, look for the activity log. Depending on your layout, you might see it directly on the left-hand side or inside a section. Click on Activity Log to open a detailed view of everything you've done on Facebook. Now, once you're inside the activity log, find the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. This is where Facebook organizes all your actions like posts, comments, and interactions. Under this section, click on Posts. This will show you a full list of posts you've created or shared on Facebook. From here, you'll notice an option related to the Facebook editor. Click on it to enter the Facebook editor, where you can manage, review, and control your posts more efficiently. This feature is especially useful if you want to quickly find, edit, or manage your content all in one place without scrolling endlessly through your profile. And that's it. That's how you can easily find all your posts using the Facebook editor on Facebook Web on your PC after the new update.